If you want to buy a home that needs a lot of repairs and it doesn't quite qualify for a standard loan, or you don't have the money to fix it after you close, don't freak out, because there's a loan program that can help. Hi, I'm Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And there's a program called a 203K loan that I used on my first property to help do upgrades. So the FHA-backed section of 203K, the HUD loan program, could be a good option for you. This program allows you to finance the purchase of your home and include a portion of the repairs into a single mortgage. The 203K loan is for rehabilitation and repair of residential properties, from single family homes up to four unit buildings. So the loan down payment can be as little as 3%. So the property must be used as a principal residence, so you can't buy it for a rental and use this loan. But a portion of your loan is used to pay for the purchase of the home. And then the remainder is placed in an interest-bearing account on your behalf and released in stages as rehabilitation is completed. So you should contact a HUD-approved lender, which I happen to know a few, who will help you understand the next steps to detail the 203K loan programs. So I hope this helps, and always feel free to contact me with any of your questions about real estate, flipping, or anything like that. Or if you need me to put you in touch with a lender, I'm happy to do so. Again, Maureen Mahood, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do.